Hi everyone, my name is Nicole, I'm from ATIS and Matteo Urbino, and today I'm going to show you how to use the BrandKit feature Canva AI. A BrandKit is really helpful when you want your project to look consistent and professional, whether it's for a school project, a personal brand, or social media. In this video, I will explain what a BrandKit is, why is it useful, and then I will show you step by step how to create one and how to use it inside Canva. A brand kit is a space in Canva where you can save all the visual elements of your brand, like your logo, your colors, or your fonts. This helps you to keep the same style in every design without having to set everything again each time. From the Canva homepage, look at the left side menu and click on Brand. This opens the page where you can add and organize all your brand elements. Here at the top you can upload your logos, just clicking here, then add brand, upload brand, and select what you want to upload. Once they're uploaded, you can drag them into any design whenever you need them. Next, we have the color section. Here you can add your brand colors by choosing them manually. For example, like here. After you save your palette, Canva will show this color first whenever you edit text, shapes, or backgrounds. Now let's look at the fonts. You can set a font for title, one for subtitles, and one for body text, like here. For example, I'm going to choose this one for the title, then this one for the subtitle, and then one for the body text, like Canvas Sans. If you have a custom font, you can upload it too. And this keeps all your designs consistent and easy to read. So let me show how it works in a real project. We create a new design like a presentation. Then click on brand. And here are all your elements here. So, as can you see, Canva already suggests the font and colors from the brand kit. And that's it. In conclusion, a brand kit is really simple to set up and it makes a huge difference in your designs. I hope that this tutorial helped you to understand how it works, and thank you for watching.